So watching swatching videos is like the most boring thing in the world. So to make it fun for me and you as the viewer, I'm covered in eraser pens. I just drew 40 faces at less than 60 seconds a face, because that makes for very, very funny face drawings, by the way. And now I'm going to be swatching my dot card from Schmincke. Schmincke's watercolors are stupid expensive. That does not mean they're not worth it, but I need to know exactly what these colors are if I'm gonna buy anything, because they're just super expensive. So I want to use the dot card to swatch. That's why people buy the dot cards. They're super handy, and it's actually a very nice service, I think, that these companies do to provide the dot cards so you can get a taste of each one. But like, how boring is it to just look at a circle? And it's also not enough to these are granulating watercolors. I can't experience the granulation just from the little stupid tiny dot. So hence my 40 faces, and they're all gonna get hair using my dot cards today. So if you wanna watch the video on me drawing all of these in under a minute each, I will drop a link in the description for you in the comments below. And now we can swatch and make some really, really funny swatches. And these are all watercolor paper. They're hot press, cold press, and rough. So I can experience the granulation for myself, like on an actual little mini, completely ridiculous project. And now I can assess which colors I want and which colors I can skip. So handy. I am so excited to dive into this. I have a whole video on swatching all 3 million Daniel Smith dot cards. I actually made some really cool keychain held dot card samples that I could take with me to my local Jerry's Artorama. So when I wanted to go and pick out the colors, it was very handy. So this is using a dot card in an entirely new way. A way more fun way, in my humble opinion. I also am using a couple of different brushes today so that I can, I'm taking my hair very seriously. I have men, look at this dude. He doesn't want a perm, he doesn't want super long hair. He wants maybe short spiky hair. So I might use a short flat bristle. So this is a great other way. Doing an actual full-fledged project like this also lets you try out the paint.
I'm on a love deadline. Gotta make it to you. I'm running out of time. I'm trying to find a way to make you mine. I'm on a love deadline. I gotta make it. Don't wanna lose you. I'm on a love deadline. Got till the end of the night to find you. Hey, I'm on a tight love schedule and it's overdue. I wasn't really looking until I saw you and love deadline. I count the minutes, always in the game to win it. The sky's a limit, so baby don't go away before I'm finished. Or am I right on time to make you mine tonight? it's how I feel tonight, but I just can't wait. I need to get through to you before it's too late. I'm on a love deadline. I gotta make it before I lose you. I'm on a love deadline. Got till the end of the night to find you. I got a one-way ticket and I won't be delayed. Can't satisfy my soul until I have it my way. So now I'm on a love deadline.
Look at this mess, by the way. Have you ever seen such a mess? Look at all of these faces on my desk. Oh, and we're only halfway done. Eee. summation, if anyone at all is still watching, which chances are like 0%, it's super cool. Look at this one. Look how cool that is. It's super cool to come back and see these after they've dried. So which ones are the lame ones? Which ones are the power ones that I'm loving? But really, it's the best to see them in action on larger pieces. That was so, oh, I didn't do this guy. That was so satisfying, and I can look back. I'm gonna clip these all together. I'm gonna hole punch this so it's like a little set. It's like a little journal, so I can look back and remember which ones I loved and which ones not so much. So when I'm feeling in the mood to do some shopping, I can go look back on my swatches and maybe pick one or two that I can go get. Oh my gosh, it's like playing the best game of cards. That was so satisfying. Oh, and if you want to see my whole video on my Daniel Smith watercolor dot cards and what I did with those, it was something very different. I'll link it here and you can go watch. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you want more stupid, ridiculous, mixed media fun in your browser next week.